Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I am sharing with you guys some Dollar Tree Patriotic DIYs. I am so excited for this. I have not done a patriotic 4th of July anything in a couple years, so I am really excited to jump into these and show you guys. They turned out so cute. For this first DIY, all you are going to need is this home sign and some paint. So I'm using the same paint throughout the whole entire video, which I will show you guys in a little bit, but I'm just using some chalk paint in the color Crimson, in the color Snow White. I'm also using Dixie Bells in the navy. So you're going to see these three colors because we are making this a 4th of July Independence Day type theme video, which I am so ecstatic about. You guys have no idea. I never thought I'd be able to come up with any sort of patriotic DIYs. It has been, I feel like, years since I was able to come up with absolutely anything. So this was really exciting, but this was the easiest one. This one only cost me $1.25, and I think this is so pretty. Throw some colored beads in there or some different decorations, and this is just the absolute cutest, and you can keep this out year round.
The sun go down over the same old.
This DIY, I'm using one of these Dollar Tree wood signs and this sign from Dollar Tree as well. I recently did a Dollar Tree haul showing all these items, so you guys are able to actually do these very quickly after you watch my haul. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link it in the description box below for you guys. But I just pulled off the U, the S, and the A, and I just glued them right to the sign. So I glued the U and the A right to the corner top, and then the S had to overlap the U and the A, so that's why I did what I did right there.
Like so many times before, we look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before.
Another way to use that same sign, of course, we had to use the flag, so I just grabbed another Dollar Tree sign and glued that flag right to the center, and you have another really cute piece.
And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night.
Today's video is also sponsored by Suncreat. They sent me a 2-person portable hammock with a stand and bamboo spreader bar. I am so excited to be using this because we always have 4th of July parties, and I know that this will certainly come in handy. So this hammock was super quick to assemble, although I did have to have some assistance from my daughter since she was helping me read the directions as I was going, and I just did not understand the last part on how to put the actual hammock on there, but she had to come to the rescue and save the day. But this probably took under 15 minutes to put this entire thing together, which honestly, I don't think that is bad at all. The sun was kind of making it a little warm out when I was doing this, and it was nice that it did not take that long. So it is a 2-layer quilted polyester hammock. It is so comfortable and it is non-fading. It is a larger hammock. It is 78.7 inches by 55.1 inches, and it holds up to 475 pounds. Our family will really be enjoying this all summer long. But if you guys want to check out Suncreat, they have some amazing hammocks. They have all different colors, they have all different sizes, and you don't have to get this specific one. I really do like the bamboo on the side, and yes, I had trouble getting in the first time around. It has honestly been years since I've actually been in a hammock, but once I was able to get in, I absolutely loved this. So if you guys want to check this one out, I will leave a link in the description box below. You can check this one out. You can check all their products out. They are absolutely amazing. On to the next project. These are the 3 colors that I'm using. I also am using these wooden houses. These are from Amazon. They came in a 10-pack, and I want to say they were under 10 bucks. I'm not sure exactly what the price is now. I've had them for so long, but I'm painting them in each one of these colors that I just showed you. And I will link these houses if I can find them in the description box below. Or if you guys have wooden houses from Target in the past, or maybe even Dollar Tree if you can still find those, pick those up. save them, or even if you guys can cut out your own wood houses, that would probably even save you a ton of money. So once that was painted, I decided to use these rub-on transfers. So these rub-on transfers were a pain. I thought this was going to be way worse than what it looks, but the top actually kind of comes off instead of the actual like rub-on transfer. So when you're watching this, it looks like the whole entire rub-on transfer is messing up in the worst possible way. And it really wasn't as bad. I mean, there was still, it was like some foily rub-on transfer, so they were a little bit harder. But you're going to see here, it literally looks like I'm destroying this rub-on transfer. And it wasn't that bad because I'm like, oh man, like I'm going to have to redo these to their entirety, get some more rub-on transfers, figure out something else. These didn't turn out perfect by any means, but I did think that they turned out amazing. You're going to see in this next one here, I did end up adding 2 of these rub-on transfers. I actually used a lot of these rub-on transfers. I don't like wasting. So if I'm going to be picking up a rub-on transfer, I want to use the entire sheet. I don't want to just use like one and then save it, because I feel like if I save anything, I'm probably never going to go back and use it. So that is kind of why I just wanted to use whatever I could right now. But yeah, this looks like I destroyed it. That white part on the top just kept falling off and flaking. It was absolutely one of the messiest things. I could not get it off the houses no matter what I did. I even took like a cloth and tried to wipe it. It would not come off. So what I did, I decided just to dry brush some Waverly chalk paint in that snow white over the tops of these, just to distress them, make them kind of look primitive actually, but these ended up being some of my favorite DIYs in this video. So I only had to dry brush that red one and that blue one just to try to get some of that white flakiness or flaky rub-on transfer off, and it did work for whatever reason. And then I am just using some baker's twine and wrapping it around the white one because you couldn't see any of those flakes on the white one anyways. And then I just painted a wooden star and added it to that house as well. And I think these are so pretty. I love these. Like I said, these have to be some of my favorite ones in this video. And I just added these to my tier tray.
For the last time, stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
The next one, these wooden rolling pins I've had for so many years. I found these on Amazon as well, and they were in the kid section as far as like the kid play or kitchen sets, but I decided to roll with it. These are a lot smaller than the ones that you can find at Hobby Lobby, but I want to say these were under like $15. I know the prices have gone up, and it has been years since I picked these up, so I thought that I might as well start using some of these items in my stash. So once they were painted red, white, and navy, I decided to add more of those rub-on transfers, and I just grabbed the Star Spangled Banner and cut that down and then just added it to these rolling pins. I think these are so cute. I did end up doing that distressed with the dry brushing method with the white paint just to make sure that those flakes did come off. You can see my cardboard was an absolute disaster, but I think these are so pretty, and now they match my houses. Time I see these wooden pallets, I always call them little pallet coasters. You don't always have to use them as coasters, although I really do like using them. I have made so many different coasters with these, but I really like them. I don't feel like they last forever, but they do its job for a while. So I decided to go ahead and do these red and white, just make some red and white stripes with these. And then I decided to do 2 different things with these. So I was not going to do coasters with these for this video. Down the road, you're going to see me do coasters. So keep that in mind. I will do coasters. That's just what they look like. It's what I like using them for. So once that was done, I decided to start out with one of these and use some wooden chipboard letters. So I picked up these chipboard letters from Hobby Lobby probably a year ago. They were brand new. because I buy things and I just never use them. So I figured, why not? Let's use them. And now I'm just playing around with these. I wanted these to go in my tier tray. So I wanted to make like cute little signs with these. I thought it'd be adorable. I did not paint all around these. I didn't paint the insides or the cracks. I just wanted to do the stripes. I'm using that in the navy and using some wooden stars. These wooden stars were from the Dollar Tree. They came in a huge wooden shape package a year or so ago. They had those. And then once those were dry, I am just gluing them to one of these pallets.
I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece.
The second palette, I'm going quickly on this one because I am just going to be using some more of those rub-on transfers. Like I said, I do not like to waste anything. Although I did have a few left over, I thought that I used plenty of them. I probably won't be getting these back out. They were just so messy, and I did end up doing a little bit of dry brushing on this as well to try to get those flakes off. You're going to see there's still some on the red, but overall I think these are adorable. So last but not least, this was just a little quick fun DIY. I wanted some of these in my tier tray as well. So I grabbed these little mini cups and these beads from Dollar Tree. I had this spackle for a long time. I thought about doing a spackle video, and then honestly, I don't really like using spackle. I'd rather use caulk. So I'm just using about 1.5 cups of these, or 1.5 of these. And I know that you can always add something into these cups so you don't have to use as much spackle. But let's be honest, once you open these, you're going to have to use it up. You can't save spackle for so long. It just kind of, honestly, mine gets moldy after so long, or really dried out. It just doesn't work to the best after you open it. So I just feel like if you open it, you might as well use the entire thing. So that is what I did. So about 1.5 of these cups filled 3 of these mini cups to the rim. So I kind of started, I was thinking about maybe I would make like some ice cream cones or like ice cream sundaes, something fun. And then honestly, I just did not like the texture of this very much. It was just not working out. It was kind of like hard to push out. And when I pushed it out, it was kind of messy. So I'm like, I'm going to save these. I'm going to do what I can. So I just kind of grabbed a spoon and used my finger and kind of pressed these down. So in the end, I ended up making just some really cute little flurries. I love flurries. I love the little Dairy Queen flurries. They're so amazing. I love the cotton candy one. So let me know in the comments below what Dairy Queen flurry is your favorite. I don't think they're called flurries. Let me know if they're not called flurries. I feel like they are, but at the same time, I think that's like McDonald's. But I just added some little straws to these, and then I am just adding some of those beads. You guys, that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. Also, don't forget to check out Suncreat and their amazing hammocks. You will not regret picking one of those up. You guys, that is it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.